English Language Explained, Blanch and Peel. Hello everyone, and welcome to our language learning series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of cooking-related English phrases. We'll be exploring the meaning and usage of the phrases blanch and peel. These terms are often used in culinary contexts, and understanding them can enhance your English vocabulary, especially if you love cooking. Blanching is a cooking process involving two main steps. First, you submerge the food item, usually vegetables or fruits, in boiling water for a short time. Then, you quickly remove it and place it into iced water or under cold running water. This process stops the cooking immediately. Why blanch? Preserves color. Blanching helps in maintaining the vibrant color of vegetables. Eases peeling. For some foods, like tomatoes and peaches, blanching makes peeling easier. Texture and flavor. It can enhance the texture and flavor of certain foods before further cooking. Peeling refers to the process of removing the outer skin or covering from fruits or vegetables. This can be done using a knife, a peeler, or even hands, depending on the item. When to peel, texture preferences. Some recipes require smooth textures, where peels might be undesirable. Digestibility. Certain peels are tough to digest, so peeling can make the food more digestible. Aesthetic reasons. Peeling can be for aesthetic purposes, to make dishes look more appealing. Now, let's combine our understanding of both terms. Blanch and peel is often a sequential process in cooking. For example, when preparing tomatoes for a sauce, you might first blanch them to loosen the skin and then peel them for a smoother texture in the final dish. And that's a wrap on blanch and peel. I hope this video has added some flavorful knowledge to your English vocabulary, especially for those of you who love cooking and language learning. Happy cooking and happy learning! See you in our next video.